Are trans people losing their right to bear arms? Let me explain. The Second Amendment protects an individual's right to own a firearm, but there are long-standing restrictions, like under federal statute 18 U.S.C. section 922, people can't legally own a gun if they've been ruled mentally defective by a court, or if they were involuntarily committed to a mental institution. Courts and states provide that information to the FBI's National Instant Criminal Background Check System, or NICS, which blocks those people from being able to buy firearms. The Justice Department has reportedly had discussions whether to restrict gun ownership for transgender people by classifying gender dysphoria as a disqualifying mental health condition. Currently, no major medical organization considers being transgender a mental disorder. However, gender dysphoria, defined as psychological distress caused by a mismatch between someone's assigned sex at birth and their gender identity, is recognized as a psychiatric diagnosis. So far, no formal rule has been proposed, but I would guess that any policy would face constitutional challenges under the Second Amendment and the Equal Protection Clause of the 14th Amendment, and potentially create agreement from the most unlikely groups like the NRA and the NCLU. Supporters of the idea argue it could improve public safety, pointing to the recent shootings like the Minneapolis Catholic school shooting that allegedly involved a transgender suspect. Opponents argue that gun violence statistics don't typically track gender identity and that transgender people are more often victims of gun violence than perpetrators. Should gender dysphoria impact your Second Amendment rights? Do you see this as protecting public safety or government overreaching? Let me know in the comments. If you like quick legal analysis, follow me. If you're hurt and it's someone else's fault, call, text, or message me. I'm Pete Sardis, your personal injury lawyer.